Hi guys, I hope that you're all healthy and safe. For today's video I do have a full face using black owned makeup products. I included some Fenty Beauty here, so I'm not entirely sure if this is 100% black owned, but since Rihanna is a big part of the company and I think she definitely owns a big part of it, I decided it would be okay to throw it in here because I used some of my favorite products from all these brands. So yeah, I wanted to include the best of the best. I thought this will be the right video to post right now after my absence here on YouTube. I had some videos prepared, but I could not post anything because I don't know, when something like this happens in the world, even if it happened in the US in the beginning, like, you know, kind of like posting some nail tutorials or posting some makeup tutorials or just random vlogs kind of makes no sense. And I was emotionally really just not in a good place. So after seeing all that violence and killing and like on social media, I had to take a break. So yeah, with this being said, I wanted to film this video because I wanted to say that I stand in solidarity with the Black Lives Matter movement. I'm never really educated on this subject, I think because I was born in Moldova, born and raised in Moldova, so we have literally zero people, black people, living there. I mean, we probably have some now that came maybe to teach children like English at school or something like this, but I mean, I was never taught by, you know, my family or by people around me that you should hate a person because it's black, or you should hate a person because of its skin color. We have some other problems, and we definitely have some racism towards other like nationalities and minorities, and towards us as well, but not like this. I don't know how many black people, black girls are following me. Probably not a lot, because I understand that people tend to watch other people that kind of are similar to them, maybe skin tone, or I don't know. But hopefully I do have some people that watch me, because usually I try to be quite universal with my makeup looks. I just want to say that I care about you and that this is not fair. And yeah, I'm not like a important person here. And I don't know how many people watch this video, but I think I'm just kind of ashamed that this is happening in 2020. I will have more information in the description box, so definitely check that out. I will have some petitions that you can sign if you agree with them. I will have some like fundraisers, donations, where you can help, again, if you can. I will have some of my favorite people on the internet talking about racism, sharing their experience. I will have also like a list of books that you can read. I have only one, unfortunately. This is the Why I'm No Longer Talking to White People About Race. I do really love this author. She is a British black woman. She is a journalist, and I discovered her actually through she did like an interview with Emma Watson about this book and about racism and all of that. So she talks about the history, about the British racism, and also some in the US as well, the colonies, like everything you can find in here, and the system, basically everything. This will be a very good book if you want to just start with something. So yeah, that was it for my intro. I will leave you with the tutorial. I used some Juvia's Place, I used some Fenty Beauty, Lena Lashes, UOMA Beauty. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy and stay safe. Bye.
Don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own, then repeats this for weeks to come. I don't care what I miss, 'cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching for my bliss. It took days to finally start writing songs, but now it's begun. I go oh, 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 oh. keep pushing.